Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learner AK. Today we learn about WKB approximation. Let's start now friends. This is important topic friends. Let's start now. Another method of approximation is known as WKB Wentzel-Kramer's Brillouin approximation method. It is used to solve the quantum mechanical problems where the potential function is a slowly varying function of the position problems in one dimension and also 3D which can be required in 3D can be solved by this method. A slowly changing potential means the variation of V are slightly over several wavelength d Broglie waves of the particles. For 1D problem, the wave function is given by minus h cross square by 2m del square phi by del x square plus ve phi is equal to 0. This is equation 1. Wavelength is changing slowly to WKB approximation and the wave function is not changed much from it would take if V were constant. Normally we consider phi is equal to exp ip2x by h cross where p2 is equal to under root 2m e minus v. When e greater than v, then we write the wave function in from phi is equal to exp is by s cross. This is equation 2 friends. Where s is a function of x in general, s may be complex. If v is nearly constant, then sp2x s can be expanded in a series h. S is equal to s naught x plus s cross s1 x plus s cross square by 2s2x. This is equation 3 friends. To solve, let us put the value of d square phi by dx square from the equation 2 in equation 1 and then 1 by 2m del s by del x whole square plus v minus e minus I h cross by 2m del square l h del x square. This is equation 4. 1 by 2m del s1 del x square plus v into e plus h cross m del s naught del s naught del x del s1 del x del s naught square x del x square plus minus h cross 2m del s naught del x del s2 del x plus del s1 del x whole square minus I del square s1 by del x square is equal to 0. This is equation 5 friends. This equation must be satisfied independently of h cross. The coefficient of each power of h cross be separately equal to 0. This condition leads to the following. 1 by 2 1 by 2 m del s naught del x whole square plus v minus e is equal to 0. This is equation 6 friends. Del s naught del x into del s1 del x minus I by 2 del s square s naught del s square is equal to 0. This is equation 7. Del s naught del x into del s2 del x plus del s1 by del x square minus del square s1 del x square is equal to 0. This is equation 8 friends. Solving equation we get s naught is equal to plus minus x by x naught under root 2m e minus v dx. This is equation 9 friends. From equation 6 we get s1 is equal to I by 2 log del s naught del x. This is equation 10. S2 is equal to 1 by 2 m del v by del x by 2m e minus v under minus 1 by 2 integration m square del v by del x whole square 2m e minus v 1 by 2 dx. This is equation 11 friends. The solution of equation 1 is neglecting s2. Psi is equal to a exp is naught by h cross exp is1 plus b exp minus is naught by h cross exp is1. When a and b are two arbitrary constant, the positive exponential represents an wave moving in the positive direction, whereas negative exponential tells a wave is moving in the negative direction. In a special case where b is a constant, this reduces to the plane waves. Application of WKB approximation. Two important applications of WK approximation are: first, transmission through a barrier; second, theory of alpha decay. Thank you friends. We meet in next video.